Hello again. Now for our other example, let's say if you have your site survey and you have your borehole location and you want to quickly put to MicroStation, there's an easier way. You don't have to code it, just run a short prompt. So let me show you the Excel here. So you can see I have around 20 locations like that, and you just have to copy it. Just do Control C, then go to Smart Beam Code, and then just add the prompt here. Also remember to pick up VBA MicroStation here and just say place circle and text on a drawing on these locations. That's it, and copy and paste the coordinates, then say send. Now here you have the code. Now let's say if it doesn't work first time, just try again and it will work. So because it is AI, it is doing code for specific task. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So now if you go now to MicroStation and run the code, let's see. That's it. Now if you go here, you can see now you have your circle and you have your name. So if a code is good like this, I will suggest save it for next time so you can always have it there. Thank you very much.